Yeah.
Because I am. So my name is Ruwaida, coming from Lebanon. I passed 1 month in Rishikesh to take my certificate. At least I did it, but it is not. It was hard to me. Sometimes I feel so happy, and sometimes I feel I want to cry. But at the end, I did it. Thank you. Woo! Go. What's that?
I feel happy too.
I want to take it. Talk, I want to take it. Yalla, my turn.
Caspian Barrow from England and
Tricia.
Yep.
Cecilia Reyes from Brazil.
Catherine Rock from Portland, Oregon, USA.
Saeed from Azerbaijan. Punjab, okay, Punjab from Azerbaijan.
My name is Alex, I'm from Germany. Frenchie Floriel from Paris, France.
I'm Mark from French Guiana, South America.
Noemi from Barcelona, Spain. Perfect. Hello, from French Guiana. My name is Kalauti. My name is Aaron from Paris, France.
I am Arnold from Paris, France. Amazing experience.
Nina from Germany. Great time. Bella from Germany. It's really good. Nara from India.
Naira from India.
I am Tanzala from Azerbaijan. I'm very happy.
I am.
To see.
Again, I'm still Floriel, Frenchie from Paris, France. And everything is awesome.
I am Naira from Azerbaijan. I feel happy today.